Hey guys, so this is day 18 of the 0 to 100k dropshipping challenge where I take a store from 0 to 100k in sales, and I wanted to show you how many sales we've been getting lately. So these are all sales from yesterday and the day before. We've been getting a lot of sales now, and if you guys are new to the channel, this is basically a challenge that I do where I take a dropshipping store from 0 to 100k in sales, completely transparent. Okay, so if you're new, make sure to check the videos in my channel from day 1 to day 17, where I show the whole process, how to find winning products, how to build a high converting store, how to run the ads, and I show you which products sell and everything fully transparent. Okay, so yesterday we did a new record in sales. I'm actually going to jump into my computer right now and tell you exactly what we'll be going through, and I'll also show you the results of the sales in the last few days. We're actually getting into a scaling mode now, so now we'll be scaling the products, finally getting some sales, getting some profits. That's what we've been seeing in the last few days, which is very good. So I'll go into my computer and show you all of that. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see the latest updates about the challenge. So what we'll go over today is, first of all, I'm going to show you the results. Then I'm going to tell you about what I've been doing with this new supplier, what I'm doing about the tracking numbers to actually not show that this is shipping from China. I will tell you about my scaling strategy, exactly how I do it. It's actually a very special strategy and pretty complex that I will be showing here, completely transparent. I will show you my packaging, what it looks like now that we have the branding on the packages. And also I'll jump into the ads manager, and then I'll show you exactly which products sold on the store. So we'll start with the results here. Last 7 days we did 1,766 pounds in sales. So that's around $2,500. Actually pretty good results, and we're profitable as well. I'm going to jump into the analytics and show you the results. So today we're at $0 in sales for now at the moment. I'm going to show you the ads and everything, but let's look into yesterday. So yesterday we did 454 pounds in sales. So that's around $600, which is really good. 38 pounds average order value, 4% conversion rates, 230 sessions on the store, 23 add to carts. So you guys can pretty much see this, and most of this was just one product. Okay, so it's just one product that I'm scaling right now, and it's been extremely profitable for me. So that's for yesterday. The day before, 11th of February, we did 214 in sales. 10th of February, we did 285, and it's been between 200 and 300 pounds for all the days of the week before that. So this is when it comes to the results. Now I wanted to talk about the new supplier that I'm working with now. So as you guys know, I work with GSR Dropshipping for fulfilling all the orders, but now I've been working with another supplier on the side as well, because some products GSR Dropshipping was not able to actually source these products for me. So I'm working with this new supplier. If you guys want to know who that supplier is, you can join my Discord and just send me a DM there on Instagram at RealSimoB, and I'll be able to share that supplier with you. And that new supplier was able to source some of the products that I was missing. So I'm basically now able to ship these products and ship all of my orders. Some of the orders were pending because I couldn't source them. Tracking numbers. So basically about tracking numbers, now what I'm doing, I'm using what we call the last mile tracking. And that's basically the tracking once the products arrives in the UK, because I only sell in the UK. So it doesn't show the whole tracking from China to the UK. And it shows like the product is actually shipping from the UK, which is very good for customers, so they don't feel like it's coming from China, because a lot of people can actually complain about that. So right now I'm testing these new tracking numbers, hoping it gives more legitimacy to the dropshipping brand. Okay, now that we have the packagings and all this stuff. Also about the packagings, I'm going to link a video showing my supplier GSR Dropshipping basically packaging the product. So they basically take a thank you card that they put inside that I showed in one of my past videos, and then they take that sticker that we made and they put it on top of the packaging. So that's really cool. The product looks professional, the brand looks professional, and when customers receive the product, it looks like a legitimate brand, and there's more chances that they're going to buy again from our store, especially since we're adding a coupon code for free on every order, so they get an extra 10% discount if they order again. So that's just a way to get returning customers, right? So that's about the packaging. And now I'm going to jump again into my computer. We're going to go into the ads and I'm going to talk about the scaling strategy. This is the most important part of this business because we only been doing testing. I've only been showing you how to test, but I didn't show you how to scale, right? So now I'm going to show you exactly what my strategy is directly on the ads manager. So now I'll go into the ads manager and after that I will show you exactly which products sold. Okay, so keep in mind in the ads manager, my pixel is not tracking everything because I changed the theme on my store and I still didn't change the pixel. Okay, I didn't update the pixel. I also changed my Facebook ad account that I'm using. Actually, my Facebook profile, I'm using another profile, is the same ad account. So it doesn't track everything. It doesn't track the add to carts. It doesn't track all the purchases, but I'm going to show you everything on the store. Okay, and it shows like exactly how much is spent. So for yesterday, you guys can see here, we spent $208 to do $600 in sales. Product cost around 30%. So we're around $200 profit for the day yesterday, right? So that's really good. You guys can see I have 3 products that are running around $30. We have one for $30, $36, and $100. And I'm going to explain exactly why, because this is the scaling strategy, okay? So the way the scaling strategy works, you guys can see at the previous days, we can go into like the 7th, okay? So let's go into the 7th, and here you can see for this one product, right, the cargo pants, I was spending around $30 a day, and for this sweater, I had a budget at around $50 and only spent $33 here. So what happens for the scaling strategy is very simple. You have 3 different cases, right? So case number 1 is that you have return on ad spend between 1 and 2. And in that case, if your return on ad spend is between 1 and 2, you need to keep running the ad and see how it performs after an extra 2 or 3 days. So we usually run the ads for 2 to 3 days. If they're we look at the ROIS after these days, and then we take a decision. Okay, so if it's between 1 and 2, we let it run for another 24, 48, 72 hours, okay, and look at the results. If it gets better or if it gets worse, we kill it. If it gets better, we get to the next case, okay? The next case is if you have a return on ad spend between 2 and 3. So if you have a return on ad spend between 2 and 3, it's time to basically start scaling, but you do it very slowly, gradually, okay? So you go up by 20% in the budget. So that's why you see that this product has $36 budget, because we started with $30. We add another 20%, that makes it $36, okay? And if you have, the third case is if you have a return on ad spend over 3, you double the budget, okay? So if you had return on ad spend in 48 to 72 hour consistent over 3, you can just go and double your budget, okay? One thing that I do is I do not scale my ads on Monday or Tuesday, okay? Because the performance on ads is usually a little bit low, and that's what everybody recommends. So I try to avoid Monday and Tuesdays to increase my budget. That doesn't mean that if I increase my budget on Friday, I won't be running the ads on Monday or Tuesday. But if you guys want to experiment with adding your budgets on these days, there's absolutely no issues. That's just the way I personally do it, okay? So what happened is that with this product, we were spending $50 a day, and we were getting an insane amount of sales, okay? We were getting like 3.5 to 4 return on ad spend. I let it run for 3 days. It was very consistent. So what I did is the next day, I actually took the budget up to $100. And yesterday we sold 11 of these products, right? So that's around the $7 or $8. It's around the $9 cost per purchase, okay? So we sold 11 of these products. That's our most money gainer, okay? So you guys can see I'm going to show you the day before, and then I'm going to show you yesterday. So if we go to the 11th, you guys can see I spent $50 on this product. Here it says 4 purchases, but it was a lot more. We can actually go on the store and look at it directly from the results. So I'm going to go into the orders and look at the day before yesterday, right? So the day before yesterday was Tuesday, and you guys can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products sold. Okay, so we sold 7 of these products on Tuesday for a $50 budget, and the day after that we took it to $100 and we sold 11 of these products. Okay, so right now what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting to see if this budget of $100 a day is going to stay consistent over 48 to 72 hours. And if that's the case, and we keep getting this 2 to 3 return on ad spend, I'm going to increase the budget by doubling it again. Okay, if the return on ad spend is only around 2, I'm going to do the 20% increase. That's the way it works, guys. That's the way I personally do it. If you guys have another strategy, you want to follow another strategy, that's your choice, okay? But this is the way I personally do it. And now I'm going to show you exactly what this product looks like, okay? I also wanted to share something about the ads. If we look at the ads today, I still didn't get a single sale, okay? And we already spent around $88 out of the total $210 budget that I have for the day. But which is very special, right? With these ads that I've been running, I usually only get sales during like 2 hours of the day, and they just like come like in a bundle basically, okay? They're just consecutive sales. Don't ask me why. I have no idea why this is happening. Maybe it's because I'm running a CBO and Facebook is choosing when to spend the budget, but you guys can see it here. You see that yesterday I had all my sales starting at around 6 p.m., right? So 6 p.m. I started getting all these sales until 11 p.m., which is like pretty weird, and nothing before that, only 2 sales or 3 sales in the morning. So for today, I think the same thing is going to happen again. It's a little bit worrying to stay the whole day without seeing any sales, because basically you're waiting for the end of the day to spend the end of your budget to actually get results. But as long as we're profitable, there's absolutely no issue with that. And I personally don't have any issue. The way I'm thinking is that maybe Facebook wants to have more budget to actually play with, so it can get us better results. So now let's go over the sales and which product sold. It's the exact same product as the last video that I told you about. Is this Henry sweatshirt been selling absolutely crazy. I also started running ads for one of my products that performed well in the past. That will be the Sansa office jacket, but this product does not sell too much, okay? We only sold 2 of these products for $60 each, so that's like $120 in sales, and I have around $45 cost of product for these 2 products, right? So that's around $75 profit for $36 spent on ads, okay? So yeah, we sold another of these office jackets, and then we had this sweatshirt being selling absolutely crazy, okay? So that's the products I've been selling. We also have like some random products. You guys saw me, I'm testing other products, but the main product is this sweatshirt, okay? Selling crazy. This product, I really think I can scale to big numbers. So right now we're testing the scaling budget, and we're going to see how it performs. So that's pretty much it, guys. Right now we already hit our first target, which is over $500 in sales in a day. Next goal is going to be to hit a 1K day. Obviously, I don't think that's too far from where we are right now. As long as this product keeps performing good, I can just double the budget and we'll be able to actually hit our first 1K day. I'll keep you guys updated. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram at RealSimoB. You can also join my Discord channel. It's completely free. You find the link in the description. If you want to have access to the winning products sheet where I show all these products that I'm testing here and how to find them, where to find them, and the link to the products and to the competitor store. And you also get a link to my store so you can see it basically and check everything completely transparent. And you can also interact with everyone in the chat. So hope you guys are having a blessed day. Hope you guys are crushing it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.